I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by connecting your USB mic directly into a powered USB port. Use a powered hub if the mic needs more current. Open System Settings and choose Sound, then Input. Confirm the mic appears and shows signal meters when you speak. If you use additional audio devices, open Audio MIDI Setup and create an aggregate device. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and bit depth to 24-bit for best compatibility. Launch Logic Pro X and navigate to Settings, then Audio. In Devices, select your USB mic or the aggregate device you created. Set the input and output to that device to route audio correctly. Choose the sample rate to match your Mac OS audio MIDI setup, often 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz. Adjust the I/O buffer size to 128 or 256 samples for balanced latency and performance. Position your USB mic between 6 and 12 inches from the source and place a pop filter in front. Set gain so peaks reach between -12 and -6 decibels. Use low latency mode in Logic when tracking to reduce monitoring delay. Prefer software monitoring if your mic supports direct monitoring with better zero latency. Record at 24-bit and keep the sample rate consistent across projects. After recording, add EQ, compression, and noise reduction plugins to refine the sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.